Rub your feet with an onion. Our ancestors only took care of their feet this way. You need to know this method. Take one onion, preferably red. This one has the most intense effect. It contains more natural ingredients that support regeneration and detoxification. It has long been used in home health remedies, not only in cooking, but also in daily care. Prepare a simple mixture. Cut the onion into smaller pieces. Place it in a clean, smaller jar. Fill the jar with cold water. Gently mix to release the best properties of the onion. Leave the jar for a few days. Once the onion water is strong, take a cotton pad and soak it in the mixture. Gently massage it into your tired feet. Regular use of this mixture will help reduce swelling, regenerate the skin of your feet, and improve circulation. The onion has natural cleansing properties, and its strong scent acts as a natural detox, helping to remove toxins from your body. Apply toothpaste to your foot. Toothpaste isn't just for teeth. It contains ingredients that gently exfoliate dead skin and refresh the skin. Spread it thoroughly, especially on rough areas. Now reach for petroleum jelly. It deeply moisturizes and softens the heels. Put on cotton socks and go to sleep. In the morning, take off the socks and see the difference. Your feet will be soft and smooth, like after a salon visit. Try it. It really works. Apply toothpaste on your nails. You'll be pleasantly surprised by the effect. It's a method for healthy and strong nails, both on your hands and feet. Toothpaste will brighten the nail plate and remove discoloration from nail polish. But that's not all. Mix the toothpaste with another product for an even better effect. Prepare salt and pour 1 tablespoon into a container. Salt contains many trace elements that strengthen the nail plate and accelerate its growth. Add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste to the salt. In addition to removing discoloration, toothpaste has antibacterial properties. Pour 1 tablespoon of warm coconut oil, you can also use olive oil, into the mixture. The oil will nourish and moisturize the nails and the skin around the nails. The final ingredient is 1 tablespoon of warm water. Mix all the ingredients into a uniform mass. Welcome to my website. How do you take care of your nails? Let me know which city or country you're watching from. If your nails are in poor condition, apply the mixture daily for a few days. Gently rub and massage the nail plate. This will help remove impurities and eliminate bacteria and microorganisms that can accumulate under the nails. Leave the conditioner on for 10 minutes. After this time, you will see the effects of this extraordinary mask. Perform such treatments regularly. Repeat them after a few days' break. Your nails will become stronger. They won't break easily. Stains, discoloration, and signs of fungal infection will disappear. This is one of those methods that are not expensive, but effective. Good luck. Squeeze toothpaste onto your feet. See what happened to them. This recipe is cheap and incredibly simple. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt contains many microelements that strengthen the nail plate and accelerate its growth. Next, squeeze a tablespoon of toothpaste. Add it to the bowl with salt. Besides removing discoloration, toothpaste has antibacterial properties. Mix these 2 ingredients until you get a smooth consistency. Then add a tablespoon of coconut oil, which has deep moisturizing effects. Apply the mixture to your feet. It soothes and relaxes the feet after a long day. Also, apply it to your toenails. Gently rub and massage the nail plate. This will help remove impurities and get rid of bacteria and microorganisms that can accumulate under the nails. Leave the treatment on for 10 minutes. After this time, you will see the effects of this extraordinary mask. Perform this treatment regularly, your nails will become stronger. Got rid of toenail fungus in just 1 day? Do the same. Start by taking some garlic. It's a natural antibiotic with anti-fungal and antibacterial properties. Take 2 cloves of garlic and slice them thinly. Then chop them into small pieces. Grab a small bowl and add the chopped garlic. Next, take some ketoconazole ointment. It has strong antifungal properties and effectively eliminates fungi and yeast. Add 2 tablespoons of the ointment into the bowl. Now take some baking soda. Baking soda has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Add 2 tablespoons of it to the bowl as well. Mix everything thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. This combination works on multiple levels thanks to the blend of ingredients. Apply the ready-made paste to your toenails, making sure to cover every infected spot completely. With this powerful remedy, the fungus will be gone in just 1 day. Apply toothpaste to your feet and see what happens. This method is cheap and incredibly simple. Take some toothpaste and squeeze it onto your heels. It has exfoliating properties, gently removing dead skin cells. Additionally, it disinfects and softens the skin. Sprinkle about a teaspoon of baking soda onto the toothpaste. Baking soda has antibacterial properties and helps soothe and relax your feet after a long day. Then take a piece of lemon and squeeze the juice onto the baking soda and toothpaste. Start rubbing the lemon on your heel, pressing harder on the most calloused areas. Leave this mixture on your feet for 15 minutes. After that time, wash off the remnants. Apply a moisturizing cream to your feet to enhance and maintain the effect. This home remedy is extremely effective and affordable. It also softens the skin and helps you relax. Homemade paste and plastic wrap. This method lets you get rid of hard skin on your heels without using a foot file. Thanks to the ingredients used, it's incredibly effective and works every time. Take 5 aspirin tablets. Even expired ones work, so don't throw them away. Crush them into powder using a bag. Aspirin has regenerating and exfoliating properties. Pour the powder into a small bowl. Now take half a lemon. It's a great natural exfoliant that speeds up skin renewal and makes feet soft with regular use. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to the powder and mix until you get a sticky paste. The texture should look like in the video. Apply it to areas with thick, rough skin, on the heels and calluses. Use a thick layer. Then take some plastic wrap and wrap your feet tightly. This keeps the paste in place and enhances its effect. Put on socks over the wrap and leave it on for 30 minutes. After that, remove the wrap and rinse the paste off with warm water. Your skin will be soft, and the dry, dead skin will start to peel away naturally. Your heels won't crack anymore. Don't use a foot file. This toothpaste trick softens heels, removes calluses and dry skin, leaving your feet as smooth as a baby's. All you need is regular toothpaste. Squeeze a tablespoon into a small bowl. It has antibacterial properties, soothes inflammation, and dries out skin issues. Add a tablespoon of white sugar for gentle exfoliation. The sugar crystals will help remove dead skin while being delicate on your feet. Next, mix in a tablespoon of olive oil for hydration and regeneration. Stir everything well until you get a scrub-like paste. Apply the paste with a toothbrush using circular motions on your heels, soles, and any calluses. The brush not only removes dry skin, but also massages the feet, improving circulation. Make sure to cover the entire foot, then wrap it in aluminum foil. Press the foil gently to fit snugly against the skin and leave it on for 20 minutes. This boosts the paste's effect and keeps things clean. When time's up, remove the foil and wipe your feet with a damp towel in circular motions, pressing lightly to remove the paste and dead skin. The results are amazing. Soft, smooth feet with no trace of dryness. No more foot files. Doing this once every 2 weeks will completely transform your skin, making even the roughest heels feel soft and cushiony.